This video will show you how to generate your own QR code in MacBook and as well as in iPhone or iOS. Now, it's always important to generate a QR code that are untraceable, that's not generated by a third party. I'm not saying third party will always have a hidden code to track your usage, but it's always important that I want to have a clean QR code generated by my own device. So if you're using an iOS, you look at the screen on the left hand side. If you're using the MacBook, refer to the right screen, the larger portion of the screen. So when you have activated shortcut, you just need to press the plus button and then look for QR code. Then under the blue color region, the file, and then you look for clipboard, meaning whatever text you have copied into your clipboard, you Command C copy, then it will be stored. And then after that, I want to be shown or saved into photo. Look at photo, look for save under reason folder. Then the shortcut later need to be renamed to a name that you can remember. When you ask Siri to run the code, this name, then this shortcut will run. Okay, I will show you, I will demonstrate to you how to use Siri to actually convert any text or website that you have copied and convert it into a QR code. Now, just launch any website that you can recall. Maybe I use a Wikipedia website. I copy, then I run my shortcut. Either you go to the shortcut and press this button, or you just ask Siri, hey Siri, uh, generate QR code, which is the name that I've actually renamed just now. And then you appear in my photo under reason folder. Now this method works with MacBook as well as with iOS, meaning iPhone or iPad. It's very easy, seamlessly you can do it to generate an untraceable QR code. Now, if you were using the MacBook, now this is another way. Instead of having photo, you look for quick look. And then under quick look, once you run this shortcut, you will appear quick look, just like when you press space bar, you can quick look. Then upper right corner, you can open it. You can now right click, copy this image, or key shortcut will be a Command C, copy, and paste it into your document. I hope this video helps you. Now, in additionally, if you watch this here, you can actually drag this shortcut into menu bar so that you can actually appear on your menu bar where you do not want Siri to run it for you. You just go to a menu bar, press this shortcut, activate it for yourself. Okay, I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for liking my video. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.